You know, sometimes we dogs get anxious, fearful, or overexcited. We get scared of fireworks and thunderstorms, or anxious when someone leaves us alone. We shake, pant, drool, destroy furniture, hide in bathtubs. Fortunately, there's an easy, safe, and inexpensive alternative that works with more than 80% of us dogs. Thundershirt. You put it on, and instantly the shirt applies a constant, gentle pressure to the body. Pressure is believed by experts to release a calming hormone, which is comforting to living beings. Thundershirt. You put it on, we calm down. That's like a giant, wearable hug that never ends. Thundershirt is completely safe and drug-free. It's easy to use and comfortable to wear. It's available in a range of sizes to fit most every dog. Thundershirt, the shirt that hugs your dog.
The weather-resistant, long-life Night Eyes Spotlit LED Carabiner light comes in a variety of colors and acts as a mini beacon that securely attaches quickly to key rings, jacket zippers, backpacks, and dog collars. Just about anything for instant nighttime illumination. The Spotlit comes with replaceable batteries and has 2 simple modes of operation with an easy-to-use push-button switch. Press push-button side of the Spotlit once for steady glow, twice for continuous flash. The Spotlit is available in a variety of LED colors. Check out Night Eyes' complete line of LED products with many toys and games that make nighttime activity fun and safe.
Do you ever wonder if you're overfeeding your pet? Studies show feeding your pet the right amount every day will help them live longer. But how do you know how much to feed your pet? Introducing the PetNet Smart Feeder, a new smartphone-controlled automatic pet feeder that feeds your pet the right amount of food each day. Using factors such as your pet's age, weight, activity level, and food type, the PetNet Smart Feeder will feed the healthiest portions at the right time, every time. With the PetNet app, you can schedule and monitor your pet's meals through your smartphone. Receive notifications on your phone for successful feedings or when your food is running low. Have the confidence to know your pet is being fed even when you're running late. And when you're away, the Smart Feeder connects with the Nest Cam, allowing you to stay connected with your pet. Nest Cam makes checking in on your pet simple when used with the PetNet app. The Nest Cam will even send you a snapshot so you can see if your pets are eating every meal. Go hands-free when you connect the Smart Feeder with the Amazon Alexa. Use your voice so Alexa can control the Smart Feeder for you. This is especially helpful for those of us who have dogs and cats that like to wake us up early when they're feeling hungry, or when your hands are occupied from chores around the house like cooking. At PetNet, it's our goal to make caring for a pet easier while ensuring that our furry friends are living to their full potential. So let's make sure we provide them everything they need for a longer and happier life. The PetNet Smart Feeder. Healthy pets, happy owners.
Health is not thrust upon us. It's something we build every day. When it's about our health, we don't compromise. We refuse to settle for mediocrity and best guesses. We inspired new tools so we could move beyond the uncertainty. We learned how to set the right goals, how to work hard to get at the top, to let them know how we fare when we are apart, to give them new insights when we're not feeling well, so they can make smarter decisions about our health and behavior. We set out to explore, to build something bigger than us. A world where we all know what health looks like. Because we owe it to our humans to get them off the couch, to keep hounding them to stay active and healthy. So we can wake up every day of our lives and go totally insane with joy.
No, 무슨 뜻이?
Good boy. Good boy.
When you can't be with the one you love, PetCube Bites can. Just fill up with your best friend's favorite treats, so when you leave, playtime begins. With built-in two-way speaker and microphone, you can talk to and hear your pet. Or practice that fancy new trick you've been working on. And when they ace it, fling a treat. Now that's a good boy. And when they're not so good, PetCube is there too. Sound and motion alerts let you know there's trouble. So with more PetCube cameras, you can follow your pet from room to room. Turn silly moments into shared moments and instantly share your best clips to friends and family. Because some things are too cute to keep to ourselves. They're there for us, waiting. Be there for them too. With scheduled treat times, they'll know that the one they love is just around the corner. And you'll know they're taken care of. Until you can be with your pet again, we'll be here, helping make homecomings even sweeter, and sharing love from afar. PetCube, designed for happy reunions. Designed for pet parents.